Okay, it's that way. Back along the coast
we
there.
don't have nits, we're just scratching out the rocks from our hair.
Ah.
Oh, but that's a really good way of scratching out nits. Putting stones in your head. And then
scratching them out.
And I was rolling at one point.
Couple of little pussycats or doggies?
Yeah.
Or lions?
I'm not a pussycat or a lion. I'm a tortoise. I'm a penguin. I'm a tortoise. Even though penguins don't do this.